Hey, what's up everybody? Listen, we all know the job market is tough, and sometimes it feels like the odds are stacked against us. But guess what? You are powerful beyond measure, and you have the potential to create your own destiny. That's why today, we're diving into 5 business ideas specifically for young entrepreneurs in West Africa. These ideas are low on capital, but big on potential. So if you're ready to ditch the job hunt and become your own boss, keep watching. Whether you're a student, graduate, or side hustler, these ideas can launch your entrepreneurial journey. Let's dive in. Okay, first up, let's talk about agro-processing. West Africa is abundant in natural resources, but so much of it goes untapped. That's where you come in. Take plantains as a simple example. You know those delicious starchy bananas that are everywhere? They're not just food, they're a golden opportunity. Turning plantains into chips or other products is a business with insane profit margins. We're talking up to 50%. Think about it. People love snacking. People love plantains. You're basically giving the people what they want. And the best part? The startup costs are super low. For as little as $100 to $500, you can get your plantain chip business up and running. You can sell them at local markets, to your neighbors and classmates, or even to supermarkets. And here's a pro tip. Partner with local farmers to ensure a steady supply of plantains. Not only will you get the best quality, but you'll also be supporting your community. It's a win-win. And hey, if plantains aren't your thing, don't worry. There are tons of other agro-processing opportunities out there. You could extract groundnut oil, which is in high demand locally, or explore other crops and products. The possibilities are endless. All right, next up is all about embracing the digital world. The beauty of online services is that you don't need any physical products. It's all about your skills and knowledge. And trust me, there's a huge demand for digital services in West Africa. First up, we've got graphic design. Every business needs a logo, flyers, social media posts, you name it. And guess what? You don't need to be a Photoshop whiz to create amazing designs. Tools like Canva and Fiverr make it super easy to get started, even with zero design experience. Speaking of social media management is another booming service. Businesses are realizing they need a strong online presence, but many don't have the time or know-how to manage it themselves. That's where you step in. For a fee, you can handle their social media accounts, create engaging content, and help them reach more customers. And if you're super organized and love helping others, virtual assistants might be your calling. From managing emails and scheduling appointments to booking travel and doing research, virtual assistants are like superheroes for busy entrepreneurs. And the best part? You can often find VA gigs that pay $5 to $20 an hour, all while working remotely. The best part about these digital skills? You can learn them in less than 3 months. There are tons of free resources online, like YouTube tutorials and online courses that can get you up to speed in no time. So what are you waiting for? It's time to embrace the digital age. Let's be real. Online shopping is exploding in West Africa, but the delivery infrastructure is still catching up. And that, my friends, is where you come in. Last mile delivery is all about getting products from businesses to customers' doorsteps quickly and reliably. and it's a business opportunity that's ripe for the taking. One of the easiest ways to get started is by offering bike delivery services. You can start small, focusing on your local neighborhood or city. Charge per delivery and watch those earnings add up. As you grow, you can even hire other riders and expand your reach. Another idea is to set up a neighborhood parcel collection center. Many people aren't home during the day to receive deliveries, leading to missed deliveries and frustrated customers. By offering a secure location for packages to be delivered and picked up at the customer's convenience, you're providing a valuable service that people will pay for. And here's where it gets really interesting. You don't need fancy apps or websites to get started. Use the power of WhatsApp. Create a WhatsApp business account, spread the word in your community, and start taking orders. Remember, Jumia, one of Africa's biggest e-commerce companies, started with a simple delivery service. So, dream big, because anything is possible. Okay, let's talk about sustainability and making money at the same time. Recycling is more than just good for the environment. It's a booming business opportunity too. With a little creativity, you can turn trash into serious cash. One idea is to get into phone refurbishing. People are constantly upgrading their phones, which means there are tons of used phones out there just waiting for a second life. You can learn to repair and refurbish them, then resell them at a profit. If you're passionate about tackling plastic waste, consider plastic recycling. Collect plastic waste, sort it, and sell it to manufacturers who can use it to create new products. It's a win for you, a win for the planet, and a win for your community. And for all my fashionistas out there, upcycled fashion is having a major moment. Get creative and turn discarded materials into unique and stylish pieces. I've seen incredible bags made from rice sacks, jewelry crafted from old electronics, and clothes transformed into completely new designs. The only limit is your imagination. What I love about recycling ventures is that you're not just making a profit, you're also making a difference. You're reducing waste, conserving resources, and promoting a more sustainable future. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about the power of education. You're all smart and resourceful, and chances are you have knowledge that others would pay to learn. So why not monetize your expertise and empower others at the same time? Exam prep tutoring is a fantastic business idea, especially in West Africa, where students face intense pressure to excel in exams like WAEC, JAM, AP, and International GCSE. If you excelled in certain subjects, offer your tutoring services to students who need that extra help. With technology becoming increasingly important, tech training is another lucrative avenue. Even if you're still learning yourself, you can teach others the basics of coding, web development, graphic design, whatever you're passionate about. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. And if you love creating content, why not package your knowledge into online courses or ebooks? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easier than ever to create and sell your courses online, reaching a global audience. I recently heard an inspiring story about a teenager in Lagos who made over 500,000 naira in a single month just by teaching Python programming basics online. That's the power of education, my friends. You have the ability to transform lives, including your own, through knowledge sharing. All right, changemakers, those are your 5 business ideas. I know it's a lot to take in, but here's the thing. You don't have to do everything at once. Start with one idea that truly excites you, something that lights that fire in your belly. Then, come up with a clear business plan and use free tools like Google Trends and Facebook Marketplace to research your target market and see what's in demand. And remember, you don't need a ton of money to get started. Start with what you have, even if it's just your phone and your hustle. The most important thing is to take that first step and believe in yourself. Every big business started small, and there's no reason why you can't achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. So, here's your action plan. 1. Pick one idea that excites you. 2. Create a business plan. 3. Use free tools, Google Trends, Facebook Marketplace. 4. Start with what you have. No excuses. Remember, every big business started small. Your time is now. So, here's a challenge. Comment which idea you'll try first. If you found these ideas useful, like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Empower Africa Academy for more empowering content.